Hey everyone, I'm Daisy with Dherbs.com. Here at Dherbs, we get a lot of health-related questions, and today we're going to answer some viewer questions about snoring. Our first question comes from Antonio. Hi Dherbs, I'm getting older, and recently my partner's been saying I'm snoring all the time. I don't want to believe it, but both of my parents snore, so it's probably true. This sleep noise is causing a bit of an upset and unrest in our home, and I'd like to do something about it. Is there a real cure for snoring? Antonio, this is fiction. There's no silver bullet for snoring. Since the surgical techniques that do exist and make some impact are also invasive and have risky side effects, the first tactic you could try is a lifestyle change. Using alcohol, smoking, using sedatives, and having a higher weight all increase your risk of snoring. So changes in those areas can have a big impact. Even lying on your side instead of your back when you sleep can reduce the amount you snore. There are also dental devices like mandibular splints that many people find helpful if their snoring is caused by their tongue blocking their airway. So try some things, talk to your doctor, and see if there's a path that works for you. Our next question comes from Julia. Dear Dherbs, my mom is getting old, and she started taking more naps during the day. I come over most days to help take care of the place, and I noticed something strange. My mom's been a snorer for a long time, so I'm used to that. But now, sometimes while she's snoring, the noise will just stop all of a sudden. Then, a few seconds later, she starts snoring again. I wouldn't write in, except I can't hear her breathe when this happens, and that really freaks me out. Is that normal? Julia, this is a fact. This is a common phenomenon, especially as people get older, but it's not safe. It sounds like your mom might have a form of sleep apnea, which is a disorder where pauses in breathing happen too often during sleep. This causes worse sleep and can lead to other health problems like high blood pressure, an increased risk of stroke, and heart disease. So this situation is very common, but you should probably have your mom talk to a doctor about it. The good news is that there are effective treatments to sleep apnea, although they're not super fun for the patient. Our final question comes from Claudia. Hi Dherbs, my son is 8 and he has a snoring problem that makes him restless at night. He's always grumpy in the mornings and he's having a hard time at school. Is the snoring related? Claudia, this is a fact. Snoring is usually caused by the airway being partially obstructed, which creates the loud noise we're all familiar with. But the blockage also means that the person isn't getting as much air, so they sleep less deeply and tend to be sleepier and in a bad mood in the morning. This probably won't be medically serious since your child is so young, but it may be worth checking out with a doctor. They can definitely identify what's causing the snoring and whether it might be worth treating the obstruction. That's all for today. Thanks for watching Fact or Fiction. If you have a question you want answered, you can email us at factorfiction@dherbs.com or message us on social media. In the meantime, like, subscribe, and don't forget to stay healthy.